Hello, amazing people. How are you doing? How is the going? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to this amazing channel, or welcome back to this new video. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back, for your support, for all those who have always been coming to my live stream. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate you all. Now today, guys, we are on the road. It's on a Sunday morning. We decided to take a drive all through Thika Road, so that we show you the beauty of our country, of our road, and to show you how Thika Road looks like on a Sunday. It's just to explore and to see how it is and how beautiful it is. I hope you will like the video. Leave a genuine comment as well, so that we see how we are growing. We are road to 3,000 subscribers. Please be part of the family as we grow. Okay, so let's go. We are at near town, just near town at Muthaiga. So we are headed to Thika. I hope you enjoy. See ya. Before I take you on this drive, let me take you back a bit in time. What we now casually call Thika Road, one of the busiest highways in Kenya, wasn't always the massive multi-lane superhighway you see today. Decades ago, it was just a modest road connecting Nairobi to the industrial town of Thika. It carried trucks transporting agricultural products, commuters traveling to work, and traders moving goods between towns. Everything changed in the early 2010s. In preparation for Kenya's modernization and economic growth, the government launched one of the country's largest infrastructure projects, the expansion of Thika Road into a modern superhighway. The project, which cost billions of shillings, transformed the old road into an 8-lane highway with service lanes, interchanges, and pedestrian bridges. It officially opened in 2012 and instantly became one of the most important transportation corridors in the country. All right, buckle up. As we hit Thika Road, did you know this highway is over 42 kilometers long? Yes, from Nairobi to Thika, it's quite a stretch. Back in the day, this was a single-lane road. Imagine trucks, buses, and cars all squeezing through. Total chaos. Now look at it. 8 lanes of smooth asphalt, service roads, pedestrian bridges. It's a total game changer. And speaking of game changers, this road isn't just about cars, it connects over 2 million people every day to work, school, and businesses. Oh, and here is a fun one. This road helped boost property values along the corridor. Places like our West and Roysambu, they used to be considered far, far, far from Nairobi. Not anymore. See all those trucks? Many are carrying goods from Thika industrial town, including food, textile, and construction materials. This road literally keeps Kenya moving. Ever noticed the malls along the way? Have you seen them? Like Garden City right here, TRM that is right ahead of us. These weren't here 10 years ago. Now you can shop, eat, and catch a movie without ever leaving the highway. And by the way, have you noticed the pedestrian bridges? They are not just decorations, they save lives. Thousands of people cross this road safely every day thanks to them. On my left hand side is the famous TRM Mall, and then you'll see Mirema and KCA University on that side. On the right side, you'll find the Moi Stadium, the stadium, and then going forward, you'll find the Githurai market, the famous Githurai market, and on and on and on. Now here is Githurai Market, but we are on the road. Of course, on the right is the market and the left hand side you also find the market. After here you find the Kahawa, Sukari ama Wendani. One of the two, I'm usually not very sure. And then the barracks, Kahawa Barracks, they are next. So there we don't record. From there we go forward and find Kenyatta University. So enjoy the view. We are at Githurai right now. And for the students out there, shout out to Kenyatta University, Zitech University, JKUAT, and all the other universities along their way. Thousands of students use this highway every day to get to class. No wonder those buses are always full. So this right on my left hand side, you see Kenyatta University entrance. That is Kenyatta University all the way to Kenyatta Funeral Home. After that, you'll find the Kenyatta Referral Hospital on the same side, and the Unicity Mall, the same side on the left hand side. We move to the Clay City and then Ruiru. Let's go, guys. And guys, don't forget, this highway passes through some really interesting neighborhoods. Like here, this is Ruiru bypass from here, and Kihunguro, and as you move on you'll see more beautiful buildings. This is where people are living. Some live closer to the road and others you enter you go deeper and inside, but yeah.
And the stars align. Her heart beats steady with a mission so fine. Dr. Alice spreading joy, far and wide. A Christmas blessing, heaven supplied. Oh, Christmas flows from her caring hands. Melody of mercy across the land. Across the lands, Dr. Alice carries hope everywhere. Oh, lifting weary hearts with a crisp prayer. Oh, this holy season, Dr. Alice stands tall, serving every soul, answering every call. With gentle footsteps and wisdom so kind, she brings Christmas peace to every troubled mind. Oh, Christmas flows from her caring hand. Oh, yeah. Melody of mercy across the land. Across the lands, Dr. Alice carries hope everywhere. Oh, lifting weary hearts with a Christmas prayer. Through silent night, we won't. Lifting weary hearts with a Christmas prayer. Through silent nights and joyful days, she reflects God's love in countless ways. Dr. Alice carries hope everyone, lifting weary hearts with a Christmas prayer.
Right ahead of us is the Spa Mall. This mall is having 1,000,001 businesses, and it's right on the road. So if you have a car, it's very strategic for your shopping, and it has also a warm heated pool. So if you want to take your kids as well, that's the right place to be. This right here on my left hand side is the Spa Mall. So if you'd like to maybe visit, you can come and see. It's among the malls that are along Thika Road. So it's amazing to be on this road because you'll have the freedom to choose which mall you want to be and where you love being at your own comfort.
This holy season, Dr. Alice stands tall, serving every soul, answering every.
Right past is Nibs College, and it has also a primary school, I bet. From there you go to, is it Kenyatta Road, or I think Kenyatta Road. So let's keep moving, and toll station where the trucks are being weighed if they are overweight or not. So we keep moving. I'll still keep guiding you as we go.
Weary hearts with a Christmas prayer. Through silent nights and joyful days, she reflects God's love in countless ways. A shining servant with purpose divine, a living reminder of God's love in time. Oh, Christmas flows from her caring hands. A melody of mercy across the land. Across the lands, Dr. Alice carries hope everywhere. Oh.
This is now a toll station right ahead where the trucks are weighed. And of course, you can see the hawkers around there. So if you're traveling and you're hungry, you can grab one or two things, a snack to go biting before you get to Thika or getting to Juja Mall to buy something. You can promote the people selling on the road, which is also interesting for those of you who love eating on the road. On the left hand side, you see Juja Mall. That is what I was talking about, the mall. It also has amazing stuff. Actually, lately it has China Village. So if you haven't visited China Village, please do. and see what they have to offer. Right ahead, we are going to exit the road and join Juja. So we are exiting the road to Juja, and you'll see how on top of the bridge and all that, but we are not going to stay. So from here we are in Juja. I hope you are still enjoying the the trip as well. And speaking of speed, the maximum speed limit here is 120 kilometers per hour, but let's keep it safe on the drive. Remember, this road also has cameras, so you have to make sure you are keeping the right speed.
Through silent nights and joyful days, she reflects God's love in countless ways. Dr. Alice carries hope every wound, lifting weary hearts with a Christmas prayer. As the angels sing and the stars align, her heart beats steady with a mission so fine. Dr. Alice, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Dr. Alice, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Dr. Alice, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Lifting weary hearts with a Christmas prayer.
For the Catholics in the house, those of you who come to Vincentian Retreat Center, on my right is the church. So after Wetaidia, that is where you find the church, immediately after Wetaidia. So if you're using a matatu, when you get to Wetaidia, make sure you tell the conductor to stop the car so that you alight, because it's immediately after Wetaidia. And now after that, this is the bridge that you cross over and go to the church. Right opposite is now we are already in Thika, apparently. So on the left hand side is Ngoigwa Estate. It's more of a residential area, and the other opposite side also, I think it's also Ngoigwa. We are now approaching Thika, the bridge that goes into Thika town. All right, guys. Last fun fact for now, before the highway expansion, this route used to take over 2 hours to get from Nairobi to Thika and vice versa. Now, guess how many minutes you take to get to Thika? Just around 45 minutes if traffic behaves. But if it doesn't behave, maybe 1 hour to one. I don't think you can get to 1.5 hours, thereabout. So it's really fast. Actually, there are people who live in Thika and work in Nairobi, and there are people who live in Nairobi and work in Thika, and they make it on time. The only thing that you have to do is to wake up a little bit early, because you'll take like 40 minutes to get to work, 40 to 1 hour to get to work. So right now we are entering Thika, Karibuni Thika, the land of pineapples and hot sun, of course. So welcome to Thika. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thika is also a very, very growing town. We'll also do a video for that to show you how Thika is. If you have liked this content, make sure you comment and tell us where else you want us to go and what kind of content you would like to see as well.
Heartbeat steady with a mission so fine. Dr. Alice spreading joy far and wide. A Christmas blessing, heaven supplied. Oh, Christmas flows from her caring hands. Melody of mercy across the land. Across the lands, Dr. Alice carries hope everywhere. Oh, lifting weary hearts with a Christmas prayer. This holy season, Dr. Alice stands tall, serving every soul, answering every call. With gentle footsteps and wisdom so kind, she brings Christmas peace to every troubled mind. Oh, Christmas flows from her caring hand. Oh, yeah.
Hi guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed the whole trip from Muthaiga to Thika. That was the intention of this video. The road is not so busy because it's on a Sunday. Watu walienda sherehe usiku. It's on a weekend, of course people are not working. But on normal days you'll find that road very busy. Iko na traffic, it has a lot of cars and all that. But today it was easy and swift because of course it's on a Sunday and people are resting today. Your bus, jamani. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, please remember we are road to 3K subscribers. Let's get to 3K by the end of March so that we keep moving. Hata nyinyi